Alexa, play some soothing music.
The station Ultimate Instrumental on Amazon Music.
Alexa, give a fun fact about Spy every 5 minutes.
Alright, let me work on that one moment. I can't create a routine that repeats every 5 minutes since routines only support daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly schedules. The shortest interval I can set up is daily. Would you like me to create a routine that gives you a spy fun fact once a day instead?
No, just for today.
Got it. No routine needed then.
all right, traders, we are back. Well, I'm back. Alexa, stop the music. All right, traders, here we go. Alexa, tell me what's going on with SPY chart right now.
SPY is currently at $691.81, up 0.59% from yesterday's close. Would you like me to tell you about SPY's historical performance?
Sure.
SPY has shown strong performance over the past year, up 25.99%. Would you like to know about its performance over a longer time frame?
No, thank you.
All right, no problem.
All right, Alexa, tell me the fundamentals of SPY right now.
SPY tracks the S&P 500 index, holding large and mid-cap U.S. stocks. It has $712.93 billion in assets and a 0.09% expense ratio.
Thank you, SPY.
You're welcome, Black. Happy to help you keep tabs on the market, though I promise I'm not actually spying on your portfolio.
You good?
I'm doing great, thanks for asking. Running at optimal levels of digital enthusiasm and ready for whatever comes next.
All right, we look like we're going bullish right now, traders. Right now, we are in the 5-minute chart, the 15-minute window, and the 2-hour window. All right, we gonna see if SPY hit the 693 mark. Look like the Bulls are still in control right now. Bulls are taking control. Now, what we are going to do, we're looking for our entry and our exit levels. That's it. That's all. Like, subscribe, comment if you like what I'm doing. You are not buying. I am not a financial advisor. So please do not buy anything. Well, buy at your own risk. So it looks like we're forming a double top. Looks like we're forming a double top. So this morning, where would you have entered if you were trading this morning? So I guess we're gonna go with that. I'm in Chicago time. All right. On the 2 hour chart, we hit our resistance level. So let's see if we're gonna go back down. Let's see if we're gonna go back bearish to the downward. Yeah. Let's look at QQQ. All right, QQQ was on the bullish side. Look like it's hit his levels. Now, let me see. Monday, Tuesday. Today is Wednesday. So we are right here. So let me see. I'm gonna go to the big. Here's the big chart. Okay. So on the QQQ level, we are bullish. You see, all this is bullish. So let me see. This morning, so if you would have bought in, this would have been a good entry. This would have been a good entry. All right. Now, what bars do you all see? What bars do you see? You know, looking for elephant bars, engulfing bars. Alexa, tell me about QQQ this morning.
QQQ is currently at $53.69, down 0.02% from yesterday's close.
All right. we are still in the bull phase, people. We are still in the bull phase. All right, so you know what? Let me switch this chart up. Switch the chart up. Okay, so y'all looking at Tesla, but we want to go QQQ. Well, actually, no. Let's look at the trade I am currently in. So as of now, you would have bought. I would have bought. Well, no. You know what? Let me add some things. That's on my other joint. We're gonna take this off. All right. All right, boom. I can't get. Let me see. What's a good? Let me see. I'm on Ghost Trader right now. Lipster. All right, let's look at this one. All right. So we gonna keep it on this chart, and with this chart, as you can tell, gray is bearish, yellow is bullish. So let's see how many elephant bars we seen this morning. 1, 2, 2. With a 15-minute window, let's go down to the 2-minute window. All right. All right, all right, all right. Like, subscribe, comment. Where would you enter? Where would you enter? What's your exit, enter and exit strategy? That's the question. Where is your entry and exit plan? All right, so now we already went up. All right, let's see. Let's see if we're going back down to the downside. Let's see if we're headed to a downward trend. So this the is when the bar takes out the existing bar, which it took out right here. So I would set my stop loss above here. Set the stop loss right there. Let's see what it does. Let's see what it do. Let's see what they do, people. Okay. Boom. 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 Now I would buy 10 seconds until the bar closes. All right. So, okay. So we got a tail right here. We have a tail. We have a tail, people. We have a tail. Now, if this bar takes out this bar, no, this bar takes out this bar. Let's see. All right. This will be a good entry buy. Dang. That elephant bar right here. All right, let's see where we go. Let's look at this ticker symbol. Oh, it's over for this one. Alexa, tell me about ticker symbol SONO.
Sonos Incorporated stock, is currently at $17.17. It's a technology hardware company with a market cap of $2.29 billion.
Ooh. Alexa, when is Sonos earnings?
Sonos' next earnings report is estimated for February 5th, 2026.
So February. Okay, so let me see how many days we got.
You've got 29 days until Sonos reports their earnings on February 5th.
So they definitely going bearish. So this is the day chart. Yeah, they definitely gonna hit this line. Well, let's see. As of now, let's see if it goes past this. Let's see if that's the resistant. I'm pretty sure this is the resistant line. Let's change the color. So I don't put no levels on here. Okay, so what I'm about to do now, I am going to mark my trend lines. All right, let's get the marking. We're gonna go off the last earnings. Let's see, boom. We're gonna go right here. All right, so no. Put this right here. Hold on. So I know what we is. All right, so it's kind of taking up some power right now. But let's, all right. So now we're gonna put our trend lines. I'll go back to manual. I guess I can't do that. All right, nevertheless, we know where we gotta go. So we're gonna go from here through here. All right, I want to go to the 5th. All right, we're gonna go from here to here. Here to here. And then we're gonna go from here to here. We're gonna put this at 0. All right, so that's our trend line. So we're going bearish. So we looking for this to bounce. All right. So the chart blow is over. All right. So as we see in each chart, this is the day chart. This is the 1 hour chart. Let's see it. Try a little better. Boom, boom. All right. So now we are looking within the day chart. Look pretty much within this right here. So typically we are right here on today's chart. Now, if you used to buy in, wherever this is going to be, you are right here. So we're going to keep it right there to let y'all know where we are. All right. All right. So as we see now, these are all red. So, and we're nowhere near the 20. Alexa, can you tell me the trend of Sono?
Sonos stock is currently at $16.325, down 6% from last week's price of $17.40.
All right, y'all heard it.
Got it. Anything else you'd like to check on?
Not at the moment.
Sounds good. Catch you later.
bearish. It's got a minute to make it to these levels. All right, y'all. We are in a bearish trend. We got more grays than yellow, gold, whatever color you want to call them, orange, whatever color you want to call them. We got more grays, more elephant bars on these grays. So what would you have bought and sold? Okay, so this open my time. Boom. Doji. Just fell. Tried to come back up, fell again. Tried to come back up and fell again. All right, y'all. Let's look into the 5-minute chart. Let's see how far we are from damn, what am I trying to do? Drawing, I'm tripping. And how far are we from the drawings? Go back to the day chart. Damn, we've been way off. Let's see how far we are from the bottom. So we are almost at that the trend line. To a 2-minute chart. See how far we are from that trend line. All right. All right. Now, well, you could have bought in that over here. If you bar, no, you went about that bar. You about that bar. Just the bar you would have bought. Put your stop loss. I don't know. I would have set mine right here. That's where I would set my stop loss. Boom, boom. It got triggered. So, as you see, you really got stopped out the trade. The volume must be going weak. Let's look at SPY. You never go wrong with SPY. Double top. Cup and handle. Could be. Cup and handle. Doji. Boom. Buy. Stop loss. It's 690. 692.75. We gonna hit 692.75. That's my goal. That's my guess. 692.75. All right. Now, boom, bye. Hold on. Put the stop loss. It's a big chunk of change. Mm. Okay, let's see what we gonna do. They fighting. They fighting. Bulls versus the Bears. So I'm from Chicago, so I like that anyway. Bulls versus the Bears. I'ma always like the Bulls, but the Bears, that's that squad this year. Okay. Let's see if we're going down. Let's see if we're going down. All right. All right. There go the Bears. There go the Bears. There go them bears. Boom. Boom. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. There we go. Okay, okay. Let's see what we got. What we got here. Trust your levels. Okay, look like it's on the 20. What is this? All right, boom. 70. Let me see if I got the basic chart. Basic. Nah, it's on my day chart. On my other. Okay. Look like we can be going back up. All right. Look like this tail took out this tail. See, cleared that tail. Okay, we could be going bullish to the red. We could be going bullish to the red. Okay, boom. Mm, mm, mm. All right. Well, what would you have entered? Where would you have entered? That's the question. Elephant bar. Elephant bar. Elephant bar. You should have bought into that elephant bar. You should have bought into that elephant bar. Boom. That's a nice one too. Mm, mm. All right. Let's see if we go hit the red. Let's see if we're gonna hit our resistance point. But just put your stop loss if you had one. Would you put your stop loss? This one. That's what I would put mine. You could put yours there. I would put my stop loss there. Is we gonna hit the rejection, or we gonna go through the rejection? Let's see what we gonna do. Let's see what we gonna do. Is it gonna clear it? Are we going to clear it? All right, it say ROC increasing. Let's see what that means. Alexa, what does ROC increasing mean?
Return on capital ROC increasing means a company is generating more profit from its invested capital. It's a key indicator of improved efficiency and profitability.
All right.
Perfect. What's next on your agenda?
I'll let you know.
Sounds like a plan. Talk to you soon?
Of course. All right, we got another elephant bar. Are we gonna hit the resistance? Up, 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 up. Mm, 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 mm. Oh, the Bulls got doggy Bulls. Uh-oh. Here come them Bears. Here come them Bears. Here come them Bears. All right, what y'all would have did? Is she going up some more? Is she going up some more? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Mm, 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 mm. Look at the look at the Bulls. Look at the Bulls. Where is she gonna top out at, ladies and gentlemen? Let's look at the day chart. Let's see what the high is. Oh, look like you got a new high. Look like you got a new high. Is she coming down? Oh shit. Ooh, snap. Oh, she's going up, peoples. She going up. Up she go. Mm, mm, mm. If y'all would have bought into here, right here. Stop loss. Mm. You know what? I would switch to a trailer. I would switch to a trailer. Or I would just take some profits. All right. Look like they don't know what they want to do yet. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. All right. Let's get it. Let's get it. Look at them tails. Look at them tails. Is this a shooting star? Do we got a shooting star? Here we got a shooting star. It's decreasing. The ROC is decreasing. It's decreasing. Here come the Bears. Here come the Bears. Yeah, I think we got a shooting star coming. Again, we got it's pointing to the downside. It's pointing to the downside. So let's see what we're gonna do. Up, up. Uh-oh. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Come the Bears. Here come the Bears. Take profit. The Bears. The Bears. Let's go, Bears. Going to the downside. Put the stop loss right there. That's what I would have done. We got some life. Yeah, here come them Bears. All right, like they're making the move to the downside, peoples. Let's see if we're gonna hit this line. If it'll bounce off or break through. Um, Uh-oh, what we got? Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. We might be going back up. Wait till it hit this line. Once it hit this line, we gonna see what it's gonna do. But it look like it's bouncing off the line. Well, it ain't no line. Y'all see what it is. It look like it's going red. Look like she's going down. One, two, three. All I want is you. All I want is you. Yeah, I can listen to some music. You gotta do something else other than just look at this. All I want is you. Oh, okay. Going back up. We're getting a little buried, a little bullish. Let's see if it's gonna take out this gray bar. I shot you down, baby. I used to shoot you down. Okay. All right. Is it gonna go? You got the doji. That's the hammer. Uh-oh. Six. Look at that, 695 a day. 695 a day. Okay. It's going up. Hallelujah. All right. Yeah, we still bullish. We got some new highs today. We got a great ball coming in. We say no, no. All right, we on QQQ. Let me see something. Big 12, nah. All right, we got QQQ and SPY. All right, we got the volume right here. Volume and sellers. Blue and white Chargers, same color as the Dodgers. White Chargers, same color as the Dodgers. The Chargers, same color as the Dodgers. Marker. No. Where the phone go? Like, yeah. That's the game go. That's the game, boy. Yeah. Exactly. The biggest Decepticons like let it go. Let it go. Yeah, bro. Colors, 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 Carlos, Carlos, Carlos. Man, lose. Oh, short. It's been bad, bro. Bro. No, no. Never. Woodpecker. Drop. Feel better. Go. Undresser. Colors. Colors. I didn't know. This is colors. 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 Uh-oh. Keep it up over top. Fucking book. Down. Colors. 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 All right. Uh-oh. Shot past the resistant point. Shot past the resistant point. We ain't shoot past, but it hit the resistant. Mm. All right. The Bulls are still in control. So I would have got stopped out. I would have lost it. So I've still been losing money. All right, what we doing? Like we got a doji. So what we doing? 690, 691, 691, 690. All right, you're still bullish. You still bullish, peoples. Loyalty family, we still bullish. Still bullish. All right, if y'all don't know, hold on, we're gonna put that 3. No. Okay, we're gonna put VIX. Then we're gonna put SPY. All right, oh, might be going down, peoples. Like, subscribe, comment if you like what you see. If you like what you see, where would you enter? That's the question. Where would you exit? That's the question. That is the question. Where your EEs at? Where your EEs at? Where your entry and your exit point? What would you have done by now? Be back. Yeah, I'm back. Alexa, play some soothing music for the people.
The station Ultimate Instrumental on Amazon Music.
Discontinue. All right, peoples, I'm back. Alexa, tell today's market forecast.
The S&P 500 is showing positive momentum, with Goldman Sachs forecasting it to reach 7,600 by year-end. Sector performance varies, with consumer discretionary and healthcare leading, while utilities are lagging.
All right, y'all heard it.
Got it. What's your take on the forecast? Are you thinking about making any moves based on what Goldman's predicting?
No, we just sitting watching. We just sitting watching.
Sounds like you were just keeping tabs on things without any specific plans. Smart move. Sometimes the best investment strategy is just staying informed without getting caught up in all the market noise.
Right, we just watching. Let the people know where they want to enter and exit their own strategy.
Absolutely. Entry and exit points are totally personal decisions that depend on each investor's risk tolerance, timeline, and financial goals. I can share market info and trends, but the actual buy and sell triggers? That's where individual research, maybe a financial advisor, and your own gut instincts come into play. Everyone's strategy should fit their unique situation.
Got it.
Perfect. Happy investing out there, Black.
Thank you. All right. Look like we heading to the downside. We just off for a couple cents. All right. Let's look at something else. On the uptrend. All right, trader. Think we're gonna stop in about 10 more minutes. What? Damn, I'm sorry. What was your entry? What were your exit points for today? What were your entry? What were your exit points? Hey, put in the comments what stock you want to see. Put in the comments. We're gonna look at it. That's on the next time. Put in the comments what stock you would like to look at, and we gonna check it out, yo! Like, subscribe, comment. Rock your boy. All right. All right. Okay, so oh shit. All right. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. All right, y'all. Like, subscribe, comment. Next time, whoever get on first, rock and see what stock you want to look at. We're gonna check it out, and then you're gonna let us know. If you feel like it's up to you. Well, you would have. Let me show you the strategy first before I log off. Let me show you people's the strategy. Shout out to Oliver Valdez. He's the inventor of this. I'm just somebody who likes it. Found some type of. All right, so we're looking for the golfing bars. How Marazubu, whatever. How you can say that? Yeah, them bars and the elephant bar, and pretty much the big bars. All right, trade. We always gonna trade close to the 20 MA, 20 moving average. Buy within, if you buy within 2 minutes, buy 10 seconds before the time closes. If you miss the first bar, buy the initial bar, but it must clear the first initial bar. Put your stop loss, place your stop loss. Kind of ran out of the wrong right there, but place your stop loss. If it's going bearish, put it at the top. If it's going bullish, put it at the bottom. All right, next was our strategist the tail bar. Shout out to Oliver Valdez. You know what I'm saying? I'm just, going by what I'm going by, see what I can do. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, the tail bars. So right now we got the shooting star. That's what we're looking for. Boom. It took out this, it cleared this bar. Put the stop loss. Boom. Going down to the downside. The hammer bar. Go to the upside. Put your stop loss. Hold on. Boom. Yeah, cleared that bar. Yeah, so put your stop loss and take profit where you want to take profit. But, with this strategy, always trade close to the 20 MA. If you feel a little, daredevilish, do your thing. But, don't blame me if whatever happens, happens. You know what I'm saying? Matter of fact, don't take none of this. This is just my strategy. So if it happens, it happens. If it don't, it don't. But, if you take it down, it's at your own risk. However, let's get back to it. So with the bearish joint, shooting star and burning hammer, let the bar close. So let it close completely so you'll know what you're looking at. Buy to the second bar if it cleared below the shooting star. So boom, clear below the shooting star, boom, buy into the bar. Wherever I will put mine right here just to be, You be safe. You do it right there. I don't. You do it where you do it. But you see, if it did that, it took it out. Next bar took it out. So boom, put the stop loss right there. Well, you say you only losing one bar. So again, back to the strategy. By the second bar, if it clears the initial shooting star, I mean, you close about 10 seconds before it closed, because save you some money. Or however it goes, what I'm saying? You can buy like boom. However it goes, your strategy, But bullish, like the hammer, boom, hammer. Let the bar close completely by the second bar, boom, clear that bar, put your stop loss. This is where I'll put my stop loss. You don't have to. You can put yours where you want to put yours, but that's why I put mine because I'm on the safe side. Anyway, put your stop loss. Do not forget to put your stop loss. All right, and then we got the little color changing joint. Boom. You see it. You see a color change down. You see a color change down. Then go better color clear right there. Clear that bar. So put stop loss. So yeah, boom, clear the bar. Put your stop loss. So then you got your hammer. You got your hammer bar. You see, hammer, shooting star, little wick. You know what I'm saying? But okay. So green, red. Okay, so red bar. You got the red bar. The green clear the red bar into where the green clears above the red. Boom. Put your stop loss on the red bar. Bearish, green bar to the red bar. If you're going to put inch below the green bar, put your stop loss above the green bar. And then you got to, we always trade the 20, trade close to the 20. You can be bearish or whatever. That's on you. That's on you. That would have been some good game. Or you see the elephant bar, you could have bought into it. It's just however you feel like you want to play it. Boom. But it's not close to the 20, so it just all depends. Well, this is close to the 20. Boom. Boom. Buy right there. Yeah. Yeah. You see it riding up that 20. Riding up that 20. If you would have sold, bought right there. Yeah. Yeah, put your stop loss. You still would have been up. Probably would have went up or probably would have went down. Who knows? All right. If you see the channel. So that's the strategy. Let's look at it some more. I guess we can look at it some more. All right. Yeah, I don't see it. I know. So we're going to go here. Boom. Q, Q, Q. Boom. You see it's still on the boom. So open. Let me see. Open. Tails. Probably would have bought up here open. Down here. It just all depends. Open. Ooh. I would have never bought it right there. But God dog. If you would have did your analysis, and call it right there and open. Yeah, but still. All right, but let's see if y'all can identify you know, just today, yesterday. Yesterday you could have bought in right here or right here. Most likely probably would have made sense to buy in right here. Or somewhere along up in here. Boom. That boy still riding up. That was at close though. I was at that night. So if you would have bought it yesterday right here, you probably would have hit you not came nice. Ooh wee. Okay. You know, the more you look at the stuff, the better you understand it. You know what I'm saying? So shame on me. Hell. Shame on me. Damn. Come on, man. I'm kind of enjoying this, to tell you the truth. But your boy Ty, he got other stuff he got to do. This the 2 minute chart. So what would we do right here? Color change. Hit the top. Color change. Shooting star. Shooting star. Mm, mm. Hot down. Hot down. Yeah, shooting star right here. Boom. Shooting star. Boom. All right, there you go, peoples. Enjoy that. Now you got the 20. 20 is the green. The 200 each chart. You got the day chart, the 1 hour chart, the 30-minute chart, the 15-minute chart, and the 2 minute chart. I need to change them. Alexa, play some uncopywritten music.
Let me see about that. Royalty-free melodies for creative projects on Amazon Music.
down to 3. hit that like, and subscribe. Ooh, that's 2 minutes. All right, traders. All right, traders. I guess we'll sign off at 12 o'clock. I hope y'all enjoyed today's episode of The Spy. Today's episode of What's Your EE? I guess we're gonna have to make a better name for that. But yeah, that's what we're gonna do. We just watch and see what you'll enter, where you'll exit, where your elephant bars, where your tail bars, where your color change at. Did you enter? Did you exit? What did you do? I find for myself, And it's funny because I always half-ass it and get a little bit better, half-ass it some more, get a little bit better. Now I'm sitting here actually looking at it. I'm looking at the bounce off the 20. I'm looking at the tail bars. I'm looking at the elephant bars. I'm looking at everything. I'm seeing everything. Look at the 1 hour chart. Hell, look at the 30-minute chart. So yeah. Like the 15th and it bounce off the 20. Yeah, we got 4 more minutes, y'all. Once I get my followers up, subscribe, subs, whatever you want to call it. We gonna let y'all determine what stock we gonna look at. Every week we gonna have do a different chart. Yeah, that's the least I can do. What's the strategy? Show you the strategy again. Let me see. We're still up. All right, strategy again. Mm, mm. Got your big bars. Always trade close to the 20, and so forth, and so forth. Matter of fact, we're gonna let them read.
Loyal.p.y.1
Playing
Blvque
from
market
Loyalty 1
trading.
ST.
Maraboses / engulfing / elephant bars. Bearish, bullish. Always trade close to 20 ma. But into bar 10 seconds before bar closes in 2-minute time frame if you miss initial bar. By second bar must clear the high of the first initial bar. Stop loss place 1 cent below. Bullish above. Bearish. Stop lost. Bearish bullish. Stop lost. Tail bars. Always trade close to 20 ma. Bearish. Shooting star / inverted hammer. Let the bar close completely. Dot by second bar. If bar clears below initial shooting star. By 10 seconds before bar close, stop loss goes to top of the wick. Bullish. Hammer. Let the bar close completely. Dot by second bar. If bar clears below initial shooting star. By 10 seconds before bar close, stop loss goes to bottom of the wick. Always trades near 20 ma. Bullish. Red bar / green bar. Enter when green clears above red bar. Stop loss goes under red bar. Bearish. Green bar / red bar. Enter when red clears below green bar. Stop loss goes above green bar. 20 ma plus 200 ma strategy. What is the moving average crossover strategy? The moving average crossover strategy is a popular technical analysis tool used by traders to identify potential trend changes and generate buy or sell signals. It involves plotting two moving averages on a price chart, a shorter term MA, e.g. 20 period, and a longer term MA, e.g. 200 period, and monitoring where they intersect or cross over. This method is straightforward, momentum-based, and commonly applied in swing trading, day trading, or longer-term investing to capture shifts in price direction.
Yes, sir.
Key components. Moving averages. These are calculated by averaging a security's price over a specific number of periods, e.g. days, hours, or minutes. Simple moving averages, SMA, use equal weighting. Short-term MA reacts faster to price changes, e.g. 20 period. Long-term MA smoother and slower, representing the broader trend, e.g. 200 period. Crossover signals. Bullish
crossover by signal occurs when the short-term MA crosses above the long-term MA, indicating upward momentum and a potential uptrend.
This
This is often called a golden cross when using 20-day and 200-day MAs.
Bearish
crossover sell signal happens when the short-term MA crosses below the long-term MA, signaling downward momentum and a potential downtrend. This is known as a death cross in longer-term contexts.
How to implement the strategy.
1. Choose time frames and periods. For swing trading, holding days to weeks, use daily or 4-hour charts with 20/50ths or 50 to 200 MAs. For intraday, like your SPY 2-minute example, shorter periods work to spot quick swings.
2.
Entry rules. Buy on a bullish crossover, ideally with confirming volume or other indicators like RSI to avoid false signals. Sell or short on a bearish crossover.
3.
Exit rules. Set stops below recent lows for longs or use a trailing stop. Exit on the opposite crossover or at a profit target, e.g. 2-3x risk. 4. Risk management. Use in trending markets. Add filters like ADX for trend strength to reduce whipsaws, false signals in sideways markets. Loyal.t.y point. And there you have it. And there you have it. There you have it. There you have it. On today's edition of Where's Your EE? Appreciate you rocking with your boy for the first time. If you haven't before, this is the time to hit that subscribe. I'm feeling good today, so, you know. I'm going to get out here on a good note. I got other things to do. If all goes well, I have some good news in a couple of days. So we're going to cross our fingers. So let me go attend to that business. Oh, let me see. Bye. Let me see if that was right there. So what was this? This the day chart. Okay, so anywho, appreciate y'all for rocking with your boy. Like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. And I'm out.